Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or update your profile picture on the Telegram app for Android. This quick and easy change will make your Telegram account instantly more recognizable to your friends, contacts, and groups. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to choose and set a great profile photo, so let's jump right in and get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your Android device. If you don't see it right away, remember it might be in your app drawer or on your home screen with a little paper airplane logo. Once you're inside Telegram, look up to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on those lines. This menu gives you access to all Telegram's different settings and sections. From here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Tap on that. The settings area is kind of like your control center on Telegram, where you can adjust your privacy, notifications, and of course your profile details. At the very top of the settings screen, you'll see either your current profile photo, or if you haven't set one yet, you'll probably see a gray circle with the outline of a person. Tap directly on that icon. This is how you edit your personal information. Now when your profile screen opens, look up to the top right corner. You should see three vertical dots. That's the menu for your profile. Go ahead and tap that. In the menu that appears, look for Set New Photo. If you don't see that exact option, you might see something like Edit Profile, and then from there, tap the camera icon. Either way works since both let you choose or update your profile picture. At this point, Telegram will give you a choice. You can either take a fresh photo right now using your camera, maybe you're feeling spontaneous or the lighting is just right. Or you can select an existing photo from your phone's gallery. Often, users prefer to choose a nice picture they already like, but do whatever works best for you. Once you've picked your photo or snapped a new one, Telegram will prompt you to crop it to fit perfectly inside the circular profile picture area. Take your time here. You can drag and zoom the cropping box to make sure your face or the image is nicely centered. If it doesn't look right, don't worry, you can always go back and adjust, or even pick a different photo altogether. When you're happy with how it's framed, tap the checkmark or done button depending on your version of Telegram. Now Telegram will update your profile, and your shiny new profile picture will be visible to your contacts and in any chats or groups you join. And that's it, you've just personalized your Telegram presence in just a few steps. If you run into any hiccups like not finding the right menu or the image not fitting quite right, just take a breath and walk through the steps again. It's a process anyone can master with a little patience. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Still have questions or want to share which photo you picked? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And for more clear step-by-step guides just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.